Sorry, you are.
We actually started the video yet.
I don't know. Have we started it?
So should we restart it? Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. And today, boss,
Go on.
should we talk about the summer?
Let's talk about the summer, because if you haven't seen already, we went to one of our favourite tracks, the wonderful Mill End track. And
Yes.
we had a nice day, didn't we? We went down there, we took a few cars, the rally cars, this, that and the other. And it made me think, I can't wait for the summer.
I can't wait. And do you know what it made me think?
What did it make you think?
It made me think back to last year. And the most used car that I used, more than any other, was that one there.
The old FTX Apache. But you having a go at me for hop-ups. This thing's like, what, proper blinged up, this, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Go on.
I love my short course racing. And that is a fantastic entry-level short course. Can't knock it. However, we put the message out to you guys, the viewers. If I was to get a step up from that, what could I get? What could I go for? And the viewers have spoken, boss.
What? Did they just say what I've been telling you for ages and just don't bother and get a proper car?
No. They said
Go on.
I should go.
Yeah.
There was two cars that came up, and we're going to deal with one of them today.
Let's deal with one of them
It's
today.
from one of your favourite manufacturers.
Hang on a minute. Team Associated.
Team Associated.
I like their stuff, yeah.
They have got,
Go on.
is it the Pro 4 SC10?
I don't know what you're going on about. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. I don't know nothing about these things.
Apparently, that's the one to go for.
Okay, fine. Well, did you get it?
Yeah.
You've been spending the Popalong money again?
I know. Can't afford a paddling pool now, though.
No, you won't get a paddling pool. Well, I'll tell you what. As always, do your magic. Magic it up.
Okey-doke.
Sort it out.
Here goes, ready?
Oh, you still got your magic there.
I have. It's quite big, isn't it?
Is it 110?
It is 110.
Mind the microphone, mind the mic.
Course truck.
They won't hear you now because you covered the mic.
It's a short course truck.
Yeah.
It's a big one.
Should we just get it out of the box?
Okay then. 3, 2, 1. Way!
There it is. There it is. Oh, it moved the microphone when you did it there. First impressions. It looks like a short course truck.
I'm happy, boss.
You like
This
these things,
here-
don't you? You like these things.
It's got a nice bit of
What's it got?
beautiful.
Nice bit. It's got a nice bit of beauty.
It feels good. Like,
me
so
have a
when
go,
you go
let me
up
have a go,
and
let me have a
down,
go.
it's like...
Try not to laugh. Hang on.
Lovely jubbly. So, the Pro 4 SC10, boss.
Pro 4. Now, the word pro says to me,
It's got to have some bling in this.
yeah, it says to me, professional.
Yeah. But then you call yourself a pro driver.
Whoa, no, you call me the pro driver.
There's now professional.
It's got a little shock on it. It's got like a little electrical shock.
Look at that.
Oh, look
That's
at
the
that.
pro bit.
It's the pro bit.
The pros don't want to
got
get
a set,
dirty.
It's got a set of pants on it. It's got a set of pants on it.
Anyway, right, what we got in here? We have got...
That does look tidy. That
Nice
does look
and
very, very
tidy.
tidy. Has it got a centre diff? Of course it's got a centre diff. Good.
So look at this. Look at this little feature here. You got a little switch.
Little switch.
Bonk.
What's that do then?
Have a look in the hole. And then when you're done looking in the hole, you just shut it back up again.
Let me have a look. It's quite
Do you know what surprises me about
Go on.
this car?
Go on.
I'm not going to lie. It's got lights, boss.
Yeah, it's got lights on it.
I'm not sure how I
Why-
feel about
Why
lights
do
on
they
my
put
racing truck.
lights on a truck like that?
And do you know what's quite nice? Looking at the drive shafts on these, they're not like little dog bones that could fall out. They've got these proper
Yeah, I like those.
chunky old things. Anti-roll bars.
Anti-roll bars.
Front and rear.
Front
looking
and
good.
rear. And let's not knock plastic, because plastic stuff flexes, it doesn't bend. So we know that that's a good idea, isn't it, as well?
We've got oil-filled shocks, fully adjustable, oil-filled shocks. They feel like they've been made quite nice. They've got...
Well, it's Team Associated. They don't mess about.
They've got oil in them.
Yeah, they've got... How long's this been out? Has it been out a while, this truck?
It's been out a while, this one. Tyres.
Tyres look good. Give them a sniff. What are you getting? What are you getting? What are you getting?
I'm getting fun. A whole load of fun. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's not bad, is it?
Fun.
So, a little bit of protection on the chassis. That stops the shell from flexing and getting damaged.
Yeah.
Beautiful bumpers.
Yeah.
Again, plastic shock towers.
Has it got flaps?
What do you mean flaps?
You know, flaps.
Oh, mud flaps.
It's got mud flaps, has it? Can't look.
Have a look at the flaps.
Oh, it has got flaps.
It's got flaps with serrated edge
You
flaps.
can give them a little, get your finger in there and give the flap a little one of them. That. Well, it looks nice. Has it got the same radio gearing as the RB10, do you think? I mean, you know,
it's right in front of you there.
Well, it's the old, this is the old XP120.
That is the same radio as the RB10.
And does it work alright?
It does alright.
It's got a brake caliper in the wheel there, just in case you get a bit too quick.
Slow down on your steering.
Yeah.
Let's have a little look in there. Let's have a little pictures. Yeah. The XPR4 receiver goes in a little box, and then you shut the lid on the old box like that. Put the old pin in.
Well, whilst you're putting the pin in, you've done it now. I was just about to say that it would be nice to give this a bit of a run, won't it?
I can't wait.
Yeah.
I want to go out now.
I know, but it's dark now.
It's got lights.
Oh yeah, it has got lights, hasn't it? Well, we could give it a run out the front.
We could do that. Should we go do that?
Yeah.
Just put me old...
put the pants back on it.
Pants back on it. But the turnbuckles, they've got a bit of meat to them, haven't they?
Yeah, yeah.
It's looking proper solid, this one. And I like, actually, that they're all screwed in so they don't just pop off. No one likes it when they pop off, do they?
No, because then you lose the race, don't you? Because people are trying to sort of... You know.
So this is going to be one of my short course trucks for this year. And I will be putting this up against the FTX Apache to see how they do. I'd offer you the opportunity to race with me, but you don't like playing with these sort of things, do you?
I don't mind playing with them things.
So you'll be there with your vintage cars going round and round.
I like the vintage stuff, you know. I like the vintage, and I like the modern stuff as well. You know, I just really enjoy most disciplines, but you know, I'll leave you with that. That's your thing, innit?
Do you reckon I could take this to the Nationals?
Well, I don't see why not.
I think if I was to take it to the Nationals, I might need to get a different motor and ESC combo that's on the BRCA list. You probably would. Because I think it says so in my BRCA call it the manual. Homodulation list or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, you'd have to conform to the BRCA regulations, yeah. Or I could just have fun in the park, or fun at the local local club. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and hopefully we'll see you in another video soon.